I'm sure that you are curious to know what is digital marketing and how does it work. So in this free course, I will try to explain you everything about digital marketing. Especially, I will focus with you on how digital marketing can change your life and your career because it has the power to change the results of your company. During this free training, there's gonna be a very quick version of the training. You will understand how to develop a digital strategy, which channels you should use in a digital strategy, how to use digital marketing for your company, and which kind of specializations and digital jobs you can look after, and what you can try to do with your career once you enter the digital marketing jobs marketplace. Okay, if you're ready, we can start together. Okay, first of all, why digital marketing is so important for your company and for any company? The reason is very simple. People now spend more time online than on TV, newspapers, and listening to radio. So that means that from one point of view, if you want to communicate and if you want to sell something, because to sell something you need to communicate, you have to reach people online. And the kind of marketing able to help you reach people online is the digital marketing and not the traditional marketing. So that's why by 2025, my vision is that everything will be sold online and retail stores will become just something like showrooms. So we will buy everything online. That means that if you want to sell something online, you have to know digital marketing. So why digital marketing is so important for your career once you understand why it's important for a company? Communication marketing and sales are the most decisive areas in a company. And companies at the end, every company wants to sell more stuff online. That's the truth. So if you are a kind of professionals able to help a company to sell more stuff online, you will be very important for the company. That means that they will look, they will try to find a professional like you. They will hire you, they will pay you more. So that's what you have to think about. And digital marketing channels are the main resource the company has to look for once that company wants to sell more stuff online. So, but digital marketing, how is and what are the main components of a digital marketing strategy? Digital marketing is made by web marketing, social media marketing, and e-commerce. And each of these components has got many different sub-subjects. So that means that, for example, in the web marketing world, we usually teach, for example, in my company, this is a digital marketing school, we teach search engine optimization, Google Ads, everything that has to do with search engines. But at the same time, we also teach email marketing, inbound marketing, website creation with WordPress. So that is the web marketing part of digital marketing. But at the same time, if you want to work in the digital marketing world, you also have to know social media marketing. That means that you have to know how to manage a marketing strategy on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, on LinkedIn, TikTok, and so on. And it's also very important. Then, if you want to sell something online, you have also the e-commerce component. That means that e-commerce, you have to consider e-commerce marketing like a web marketing, very advanced kind of web marketing, because at the end in e-commerce you still work on search engines, you still work on Google Ads, you still work on email marketing. But what means is that it's just that you have higher expectations. And for the e-commerce, you also have to know to use some software, CMS, that help you to create and manage an e-commerce website. Now, what are the main channels and tools of digital marketing? There are many channels in digital marketing, and you have to consider all of them. First of all, we have to split digital marketing between the web marketing and e-commerce part and the social media marketing components. For web marketing, for example, in this slide you can look at the SEO part. So it means you have to, in digital marketing, to be able to position your website in the best results in Google. The same part is like Google Ads at the end. You have to be able to make advertising on Google in order to reach the same result. So to scale up positions in the search engine. You have the website. You have to build a website. Then you have to manage a website. So you need a software like WordPress that help you to manage a website. And for the social media, what you should consider, the content marketing. You have to produce video, visuals, and blog posts for your social media. At the same time, you have to manage Facebook pages, Facebook ads, and you have to create a blog and to manage a blog. And that is considered a social media marketing tool, the blog. Then, after that, what you might consider in digital marketing, the lead generation. It means that you have to be able to generate interest in prospects, people that are interested in your in your product and your services. Then you have also the inbound marketing. The inbound marketing is like a kind of marketing able to attract towards you your customers, your clients, and this is very important. It's a kind of strategy. Then you have the lead generation, as I told you, but the more important is that you have to build in digital marketing a very intelligent funnel marketing strategy. So that means that you have to prepare an highway to help your customers to reach your goal very fast, to buy online in the easiest way as possible. I mean, you have to try to find a solution for that. Then you have also social media. In social media, you have a LinkedIn profile. You have to use LinkedIn ads because also LinkedIn has got an advertising platform and you have to use it. You have to know how to do social selling, how to sell on social media. That is a specific skill, a new skill of salespeople. Then you have to use Instagram. And you can go home because the digital marketing components are also things like mobile marketing. When you use your mobile, companies still want to sell you something on your smartphone. Amazon ads, if you spend a lot of time inside Amazon to buy things, you have to consider how to use advertising on Amazon, and it's a very good channel to if you are looking at e-commerce strategies. Then Amazon SEO. That means that also in Amazon, when you look for a product, you will understand that you find products that are higher in their positions and products that you have to search for a lot in order to find them. So you want to do SEO inside Amazon. It's like the search engine of Amazon instead of Google. Then you have the conversion rate optimization. I mean, how much traffic you get in your e-commerce, for example, and how much clients you get from that traffic. That is the conversion rate optimization. And then from the social media side, what else you might consider? The social customer care. Customer care now is managed by social media for companies. Then you have reputation and reviews. You have to take care about what people think about your company, what do they write in their reviews online, and how to handle problematic situations and bad reviews, for example. And then at the same time, you also have to take care about copywriting, especially what you write and what everybody writes in your company on your social media. Then what else? In the digital marketing, on the side of web marketing, you might also consider the Google My Business and Google Maps strategies. If you are a local business, Google Maps strategies are very important for you, like a restaurant, a pub, a disco, for example, and so on. Then you have also the sales intelligence. Digital marketing helps you also to get information about how your customers are behaving, and helps you understand what you can do in order to sell more, sell again, downsell, upsell, cross-sell your products, and so on. And then you have also the marketing automation part. It means that you can automate some task and make your work easier. I mean, because there are softwares able to reproduce different tasks automatically, and this is very important. So I hope you understand that digital marketing is a word that is a word of opportunities, but it's very complex because we have many channels, many tools, many kind of strategies. So that means that it is the king of the marketing online. Everything belongs to digital marketing. That's why it's very, very important to begin a journey where you understand and study digital marketing. Now, once you own digital marketing, once you know how digital marketing works, the next step is that you will want to create a digital strategy. And if you want to create a digital strategy, the first thing that you have to do is something that is not a technical task. Is a psychological task. You have to understand and to know your audience, obviously. Then after you understand your audience, I mean, what are your clients? What do they want? What are they looking for? What are their problems, their dreams, their fears? And once you understand that, you build your strategy, because according to those understandings, you will decide which channels you will use, what kind of communication you will have, what kind of content you will produce, and everything else is a consequence of that ideas that you had at the beginning. So once you understand your customers, the next step is to choose the online channels that are the best channels to reach that kind of customers. Because, for example, if you wanna go for very young people, you might use Instagram more than LinkedIn. If you are looking for a business professional, you will probably look for LinkedIn much more than Instagram, and so on. And that means that after you choose the channel, the next step for you is gonna be to define a content strategy. That means what kind of content should I produce, and how should I propose that content to my audience. And once you understand the right content, the next step is to scale up. So you want to reach as much people as possible with your content on the right channel. That's the idea, in order to produce higher results and to scale up your business and your profits. Okay. Next, which channel should you use? This is a question that a lot of students ask me. Which channel should I use? It depends on your business, on your company, and on your kind of strategy. So there's not one the best solution for everybody. There's a solution that is better for your company and a solution that is better for another company. But anyway, I would suggest a minimal presence and integrated presence would be very useful anyway. I mean, as much as you have a presence on LinkedIn, as long as on Facebook, as long as on Google, and so on, this is a very healthy situation for your digital marketing. But anyway, you understand that it's impossible to be strong everywhere and in all different channels. So you have to choose your main channels, the channels where you want to focus most of your budget, most of your efforts, and most of your people. And it depends on your business. I told you, if your customers are 20 years old guys, you will probably use more Instagram. Then, for example, if your customer are 40 years old business professional, you will probably use more LinkedIn. So for each kind of product, company, and strategy, you will have to choose the right channel. But you still have to understand that you cannot be perfect on any channel. So as long as I told you, a minimal presence everywhere, but then focus on the best channel for you. Then, how can you use digital marketing for your company or your job? First of all, you have to reach your ideal audience. And after reaching your ideal audience, you understand you have to connect with them. But at the end, everything you do online, you make traffic, you produce content, you give good content, obviously, you engage your audience, but at the end, your goal is going to be sell online or generate leads, and after generating leads, to sell online with a digital sales model, somebody calling your clients, your customers. So that is going to be the end of your funnel. Even if you sell offline, at the end you still have to generate lead in order to help you to invite your customers in your showroom, in your retail store, or wherever you want, for example. Then, what are the specializations in digital jobs? Once, if you are, if you are attracted to digital marketing, what can you do for your life? You can obviously one thing that I would suggest to you is that you have to know the new digital jobs. I have some videos on my channel. You can look at those videos, obviously. But after that, the other important thing is that I want you to consider that there are different jobs in social media. Usually they are better for people that like to communicate, people that is creative, people that like to share things with other persons. They are very different from web marketing jobs. Usually, web marketing jobs are a best fit for people that likes numbers, statistics, that are very organized and precise. So that's a different kind of profile. And then you also have e-commerce. Usually, if you enjoy selling something, e-commerce is the right word for you online. But you have to consider also that if you want to work in a very small company, you will find many job opportunities where they ask you to do everything: web marketing, social media marketing, and e-commerce. So consider also that option to be somebody that able to work on the different situations. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, hope you will follow my channel. So I would suggest you to follow my channel, to look at different playlists where you can find the useful resources, and then in the description you find free resources like for example test. You can find also a comparison table on the digital jobs and many more things. Okay, Luca Papa from Digital Coach. Bye bye.